Hello, I am Gary Speranza at Capilano Volkswagen. I'd like to welcome you to our virtual open house. We're excited to go ahead and try to do this, as this is something new for us to do. I just want to tell you a little bit about Volkswagen, Capilano Volkswagen. We have been here for over 50 plus years, with a lot of our employees being here 30 plus years. So it is a great family run business, and we're all happy to work here. We do understand these are challenging times for you and for us here at Capilano Volkswagen. We are trying to do our part in, doing our safety stuff here with cleanliness of the vehicles, social distancing, and stuff like that. Follow me and we'll go into the showroom and I'll show you what we are trying to do. Here are the measures we are taking for COVID-19 to keep everything as clean as possible. So let's go have a look. We don't have to open the door, we leave the door wide open. We clean our hands as soon as we walk in. You can see we have social distancing signs on the floor. One customer at a time at each one of the desks. We have everything will be cleaned every hour, but high touch areas we even clean right after the consumer is finished going through the car. We have plexiglass for the receptionist, for all the service advisors. So we're trying to keep everything we can. And if you one of the offices here, we have the social distancing, and then the screens for the business office as well. So if you're feeling uncomfortable about coming down to the dealership, we can drive the vehicle up to your house, be a used vehicle or a new vehicle. We will completely sanitize the vehicle while we're there, so you can test drive it. And then if you have a trade-in as well, we can look at your trade-in at that point, and then we can finalize everything over the phone or through email. Here's what we're doing for you at Capilano Volkswagen in these challenging times. There is a 3-month deferral payment on all financing vehicles. There also is up to $6,000 off on selected vehicles if you're paying cash. There is a loyalty component. If you do own a Volkswagen right now, you will get 0.5% off on new vehicles. And of course, there is, for this month, 4 years of free maintenance for any 2019 new vehicle that you do purchase.